Wrestling on mat 2, 150 pounds, Michael Spiz of North Branch versus Tony Pike of Conway. Now wrestling on mat 2. Wrestling on mat 4 at 138 pounds, Aiden Byram of Mason versus Tommy Blanchett of Dundee. They are now wrestling on mat 4. In the hole on mat 4 at 157 pounds, Blake Cosby of Dundee versus Hayden Salazar of Chesapeake. You're in the hole on mat 4. In the hole on mat 2 at 157 pounds, Freddie Zabewski of Midway City versus Mason Bitters of North Branch. You're in the hole on mat 2. Wrestling on mat 1 at 130 pounds, Mikey Dennis of Mason versus Gage Stam of Chesapeake. Now wrestling on mat 1. In the hole on mat 1 at 157 pounds, Aiden Turner of Perry versus Boone Smith of Mason. You're in the hole on mat 1. Wrestling on mat 3, 144 pounds, Nolan Cunningham of Freeland versus Walter Wood of Perry. Now wrestling on mat 3. In the hole on mat 3 at 157 pounds, Colin Barney of Lowell versus Gage Binky of Montrose. You are in the hole, mat 3. Wrestling on mat 3, 150 pounds, Nathan Beauchamp of Blackstone versus Mustachio Gonzalez of Lowell. In the hole on mat 3 at 157 pounds, Nick Kroll of Blackstone versus Evan Ostrander of New Ultra. You're in the wall on mat 3. Wrestling on mat 2, 150 pounds. Bryce Johnson of Dundee versus Noah Spad of Montrose. Now wrestling on mat 2. We in the hole on mat 2, 165 pounds. Kyler Campbell of New Ultra versus Keith Tech of Lowell. You are in the hole, mat 2. Wrestling on mat 3, 157 pounds, Colton Barney of Lowell versus Gage Mickey of Montrose. Now wrestling on mat 3. In the hole on mat 3 at 165 pounds, CJ Church of Mason versus Jack Taylor of Blackstone. In the hole